Look at the shoes. They're cheaper here. I bought my shoes here. 50 pesos each. All you have to do is to choose. A lot of originals, but second hand. This is the meat market, chicken, pork, and everything. Those are fish market. Go straight. No, walk straight. There's a police. Good.
Why?
Nothing. That means there's not much bad people. But no little worry here. Jackfruit.
Pasok lang, pasok. 20 lang, ma'am. 20.
Oh, that was from hotel.
Huh?
Hotel, good afternoon. Oh, good evening, sir.
What's that?
He works in hotel.
You did?
Yeah, the
I
one.
heard he said something like that. He recognized me.
Yeah. There. That way.
Yeah,
Let's go. Let's cross there. Watch your back, okay?
Okay. Tara ma'am, may dagdagan pa naman sir.
Okay, go.
Arrival lang.
Cross.
What's over there?
Those are dried fish. There's jackfruit.
Where? Yes.
sorry po. There's jackfruit. Hinog na ni ate? Tagpira man siguro ito.
120 ang kilo.
120 per kilo.
100.
100 per kilo. Ma'am, if you will buy the whole of it, they will kilo it 100 per kilo. What do you think?
Cut it, right? Is it sweet? How do you know?
Ano magtamis ito yung ate? Hamot na. Ha? Mamot na. Wala na iniiba. Okay, sorry po. Gawin may dehedunot kasi nga di oh.
Dirito. Iban man ito minus 1 kilo.
Pero pwede itong tungaon.
Sugad la tungala.
Sugod lahiya. Oh.
Pera man. Pwede to. Half. Half na la. Didi ka mo bada.
Oh, you want buy just the half too?
Huh?
Oh, yeah.
Okay.
Okay. 100.
20. Half na la.
120.
Almost 500 sir and half.
Almost 500 pesos.
It's too hard to get the jackfruit.
Yeah, correct.
Come on.
Ito lang na yung time. Kung okay, mabalik na lang kami. So hard to find jackfruit. Para ka mo mikwan, saging nga green. Oh.
Ano?
Kuan,
Baloy?
mangga ngayon, mangga. Okay.
Wara yan na.
Indian mango.
Wara yan na yung dyan mo, ma'am. Diri yan season. Wow, more sign. Kamalay, ito ka na liso na ito niya.
Okay lang. Just the seeds. Yeah.
Feel the heat on my hands though. Cold to Jollibee.
Pera?
Good.
569.
Can she cut it up in smaller pieces?
Nilimpyuhan na la.
Di na pwede pakat-kat na lang kayo makato kaming hotel kasi.
Thank you.
Salamat. Mula kasi Kutsilyo Hak Hotel.
Yeah.
Oh my
jackfruit.
God. Someone will going to enjoy his jackfruit. I'm still filming it. guava, melon.
Puro lang kalanay.
She said?
Langka means jackfruit.
Bro.
Called, I saw.
Only lang ka.
Balik ka mo. Manong makita mo itong ano?
Ha?
Pipino.
Ada luyo.
Oh, iyo kaya pito ate? Leo?
Dire.
Ah. Hold
Parang
okay.
kulay.
I'll get cucumber there. I want cucumber there.
Okay, okay. Go.
Hold it na. Kasi ba?
But then this one. Look at that.
You repeat it. Go, go.
No, yeah, no, yeah.